Okay. Who is the funniest employee at Clint? There are a few of us that are really, really funny. I think I have a lot of really good punchlines and jokes. Tom and Andy, they are keeping up with me very, very well.
Maybe both Andy and Guna?
Well, I think everyone is gonna give the same answer, but I have to say Andy probably. I mean, also Tom in his way of being super British guys. I have to say Guna, or she will be mad at me later on, but yeah.
For sure it's not Davide, though he thinks he is.
Yeah, probably.
Sorry. Me, for sure not. I'm not funny, but I like to think that I'm funny. Yeah, so that's it.
You are. You're very cute, yeah.
No one laughs harder at my jokes than I do, so therefore I must be funny.
Not everyone is funny. Here. That is, that's what I like here.
Everyone is
People.
fun, yeah.
Who are 3 people you want on your zombie apocalypse team and why? Well, if we have to repopulate the world after the zombie apocalypse, I'd probably say Davide. He's definitely the most handsome guy at Clint.
Guna could act like she's a zombie because she's a great actress.
Like any 3 people that are slower than me. Easy.
Oh, Guna for sure, the first one.
Probably Tom. He seems like coming from a Call of Duty game. If you put just helmet on him, it's...
I think I want Taylor for sure because he's very resourceful.
Guna because she talks so loudly that she would distract them and then I'd be able to run away. I'd go Giovanni because he'd throw some awesome ads at them.
People who I want to die with. I mean, it's a zombie apocalypse, so I guess like we're not going to survive.
Who do you believe is the best cook at Clint?
Tom, actually.
I'm gonna go with Elena because I know that she definitely makes those dishes.
Yeah, why always me, guys?
You know when you see somebody else's lunchbox and you're really jealous every time? That's me looking at Tom's lunchbox.
Davide, because he made us a really nice carbonara and it was really good.
I know that Tom is really into cooking and cuisine in general.
That's Tom. Tom is a good cook.
Me, for sure, 100%.